Okay, so this is a quick overview of a DJI Ronin S mounting plate that I bought, which is right over here. It's a small plate that mounts to the two screws over here, so you can mount other kind of accessories on your Ronin S. And as you can see over here, I have a short, newer magic arm mounted over here with the Ninja Adamas 5 right here as my monitor and recorder. On the top, of course, it's not relevant, but it's my camera rig over there. But the main thing I want to talk about is this little piece, and I think this is a great piece for a great price because I bought this for literally $12, and it's a very well made cast aluminum solid piece, and it actually have some thickness to it as well. The brand is this is what I bought. So AFVO mounting plate for Ronin S with a 1/4-inch thread holders for for all kinds of accessories. You don't necessarily have to use the 1/4-inch in the center. You can use, there are 3/4-inch over here, and this one I think it's one of those larger holes that you can mount some of the heavier accessories over there. So you have lots of mounting options. It comes with the mounting screws already included for mounting to your Ronin S, and also a little hex wrench to put the screws in there. So I always keep the hex wrench in my the Ronin S case, so in case I need to remove it. But for the most part, I just leave it on the Ronin on my Ronin S, and it has been working fine. So no problems there. Just a quick review. So this is a brand. I got it, and I think it works great. So I want to recommend it to you guys. AFVO. And as you can see, I actually literally just purchased this a few days ago, and I think it has been a great accessory to have. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching, and take care.